I'm done. Okay, bye. Alright, so if you're just joining along right now, we are going to cut all of this off in honor of hitting 600 followers here on Twitch, twitch.tv/LazyTechTony. Also, we're close to 7.7K on YouTube with our YouTube channel, Lazy Tech TV. So thank you so much, you guys. This is awesome. Very, very excited. Very excited for the future to see what else is going to come of this. But in the meantime, we're here to make me very bald. I haven't hit the gym in over a couple of years. I've seen a gym. I know a guy named Jim. Jesus Christ. Are you serious? I need a mirror. Should I go get a mirror? No, I'm just gonna use this as a mirror. I'm gonna hope that what I see in the webcam is a good enough mirror. That's all I'll do. I'm done. Okay, bye. Is this good? Oh my God. Somebody clip this. This is gonna. This is an image of your nightmares right here. Boom, 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 boom. I think we're good, right? Are we good? What's up, Matt? How you doing? Look, I'm like you now. Yay, Asian brethren, baldy brethren. What do you think?
What's with the drape?
What's wrong with the drape?
Why does it exist?
Because it came with the kit.
Really?
Yeah.
You.
Oh,
Okay.
what do you mean you? Now it won't get on my Only Games shirt. Only Games? What do you think?
Looks good.
You prefer me with hair?
I actually kind of like it.
Yeah, thank you very much, Nata. I appreciate that. Guys, Nata, one of the members of the MTL crew. MTL high. You look like you could be a biker. No. I own a bike. Well, actually, my daughter owns a bike. I don't own a bike. My daughter owns 2 bikes. Oh, I still have stuff on my face. Hold on. Wait, I just came your ball? What's up, Frosty? Yeah, I did a whole I did a whole I actually cut my hair on stream. Here's the proof. Hi.